Hey, I'm John Cherevka with the Winston School of Character Arts. Welcome to my course on how to make eyes. Eyes are so important because they bring an element of reality to the character. First, I'm going to teach you how to make hemisphere eyes with reverse painting. We're going to cover the reverse painting process, creating depth, and layering colors backwards. What's cool about these is you can purchase them for pennies and make something amazing with no failure of the technical process. And then the next style is a full sphere. This may be more applicable in a puppet. It starts off this way, but I'm going to show a trick making a pupil that you can see down into. I'll start with basing the eye black, painting the eye, unmasking the pupil, and sealing the eye. The benefits of this process: it's fast-paced, you can make a high-quality eye and still have a nice deep pupil. The next style I'm going to teach you is making a vacuform eye for masks. Step 1, I'll teach you how to vacuform. I'm going to show you how to do reverse painting, creating depth, and layering colors backwards, and then the final sealing. As you can tell, we have a lot to cover today, so let's get started.